Hello, I'm Dr. Wickham Simons. I'm an obesity medicine specialist from the Triangle region of North Carolina, and this is Obesity Medicine Perspective. So today, here in our checkout room in the office, many of my patients, if you're watching this video, kind of recognize this area as the place that you check out and you schedule your next visit. And I'm standing next to a display of some vitamin products that I wanted to tell you about. Made by a company called Metagenics. And so today I have with me an expert on the Metagenics products, and this is Kara Pagen, who works for Metagenics, and I wanted to interview her on one of these videos so that she can kind of tell us a little bit about these products. And so if you look at the display, you'll see that I've got a multivitamin called Phyto Multi here, a fish oil, and a probiotic. And so we're going to talk a little bit about each of those things. And before I actually kind of get into the detail about each of those individual products, I wanted to get Kara to talk a little bit about Metagenics as a company and kind of what separates them from the things that you see over the counter. Because as I told Kara, and I've told other people, look, in this kind of supplement world, you can run ads. In other words, you can call a donkey a whale, but it does not make it so. And there are a lot of over-the-counter products that you can buy that maybe really aren't that quality or aren't what they say they are, even though an advertisement may portray them as something that's high quality. So anyway, with that thought, Kara, can you tell us a little bit about Metagenics and what separates them from other companies that make vitamins?
Yeah, so Metagenics is what you would consider a professional grade nutritional company. We only sell to licensed healthcare practitioners, which means that because they are pharmaceutical grade, we want to make sure that the practitioner is using them in the correct way and using them for the correct patient. So there's a couple of other things that set us apart compared to what you would find in like a GNC or a Walgreens as far as supplementation goes. We are held to higher standards when it comes from the FDA and how they regulate our facilities and our raw materials that are going into our nutritional supplements. So as soon as our raw materials come in the door, they are testing them from the get-go. The barrels that come in, they're testing those raw materials, they're testing them throughout the entire process to make sure that they are to spec and what we say is in our products are actually in our products. They're really high-grade nutritional supplements, and we use the best of the best raw materials. We also go above and beyond with our human clinical trials and make sure that we're testing the exact product and not just the ingredients that are in the product to make sure that it is as effective as we say that it's effective and as effective as the ingredients are in there. So we have in vivo and in vitro studies on almost every single one of our products to make sure that it's doing what we say.
That's a really good point. And you know, I was drawn to this company because of those kinds of things that you just mentioned. And so you won't find just your standard vitamin company ever doing a trial in patients to see whether they're accomplishing any endpoint that they're intending to accomplish. And Metagenics pours a lot of money into this, a lot of money and scientific effort into this, so they get the best products, and you can be assured that you're getting exactly what they say you're getting and that it's been tested in patients and that it works. And so you pay a little more for a Metagenics product, but in my opinion, it's worth it. I mean, I think we all understand that concept when it comes to clothes or cars or you know, devices that we buy. Sometimes you pay more for certain things, but it is well worth it to do it. So what I'm going to do in the next video is talk to Kara about the multivitamin called Phyto Multi that we've decided to carry here. And I want you to please follow along. Know that we're carrying these high quality supplements, and that if you'll follow these videos, we're going to tell you a little more about each one so that you know by the next time you come to the office what you're looking at and whether or not you might want to buy it. So until the next time that we talk, I'll give you the tools, you give me the effort, and together we'll overcome obesity.